Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are making peppered kpomo. Here I already have my kpomo, that is cow skin, well washed and soaked in this lemon and salty water. After that, I'll then transfer into my clean pot, add some onions, salt, about half a teaspoon of thyme and the curry powder. I'll also add 2 small seasoning cubes, water to it, stir and mix everything together and steam for about 10 minutes or until the water in it is almost dry. This will help the cow skin or kpomo to be. To add the bay leaves earlier on, so that's what I'm adding now. I'll cover it and continue to cook. And after about 10 minutes, this is what we have. Our kpomo is well steamed and very tasty already. The kpomo I'm using here is already a soft one, so all I did was just to season it so that it will be tasty. Next, we'll make our sauce, and I started by adding some vegetable oil there and some palm oil. Allow it to heat up, then we go in with our chopped frying the onions for about 2 minutes. I'll then add the blended peppers. This is a mixture of tatashi, shambal, pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, and a few tomatoes. I'll mix and fry for some minutes also. After frying the peppers for some minutes, I then add 2 tablespoons of crayfish powder, seasoning cube, and the curry powder. I will stir it very well, then cover and allow to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or fry. Our pepper is well fried now and is already delicious. Yeah, it's delicious. It is time to add our kpomo, but before then, I'll reduce the stew or pepper before adding it. Next, I'll add the kpomo and some chopped onions also. And then I'll stir everything together and cover to cook for just about 2 minutes so that the sauce and the kpomo can mix very well. How gorgeous our peppered kpomo is looking. Can you see it or can you feel it? Yeah, it's already very tempting and mouth-watering. Yeah. So next, before I serve it, I'll add it some leafy vegetable. Here I'm using scent leaf. I'll then stir and then serve. You can serve this with any meal or drink of your choice. I hope you have given the video a thumbs up. If you haven't, please do so now. Click on that like button. Thank you for clicking. And here we have our peppered Kpomo. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. I hope you'll be giving this a try. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to share the video and also like the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.